Good afternoon, viewers. The date today is the 17th of January 2022 and I'm in the queue for the car wash in Llangefni at the Texaco/Spar petrol station, just opposite the Abbott Vehicle Sourcing Centre. I was there earlier trying to look for a car to film, but they were all a bit dirty, so I decided against it, and I thought might as well make something today. Yeah, my car's filthy dirty, both inside and out, as you can see. A lot of litter, a bunch of clothes on the back seat, as well as my tripod. So yeah, I'm going to get it washed, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go back to my parents' house, grab the hoover and a bunch of wipes, and tend to the interior. I'm stuck here now because there's a car that's just pulled in behind me. It's a beautiful day, it's nice and sunny. And it's 1:30 in the afternoon. We might be here for some time. Yeah, this evening my mum's away, so I'm going to be looking after the dogs. And also, because it's a Monday, I'm going to go for McDonald's for dinner. Because that's my weekly thing. Mackey's Monday. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit once we get a move on. Oh, finally. So, after about 20 minutes of waiting, we're finally next in line after this Polo. I've gone for the number 5 car wash, which as you can see has all the ticks. So, foam pre-soak, alloy wheel cleaner, top side and wheel high pressure pre-wash, wheel wash, brush wash, wax, dry, and high pressure under chassis wash. So yeah, you input your code into that machine, then you drive forward until it tells you to stop, and then you wait. I really need the loo actually, but I'm going to have to hold on to it until I get home. There we go, it's the dry stage now, so not got long to go. I feel like taking the antenna off. Yeah, I might do that actually. Let's go and take the antenna off. I'll put it back on afterwards. You know, I always take it off just as like a safety measure. Interestingly though, that car in front didn't take its antenna off, so it's still attached, but you know, I don't want to take any chances. So I thought I might leave it off. Don't want to listen to the radio anyway. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh my god, I'm gonna get soaked! So yes, we are in. So now we just wait for technology to work its magic. Before I came in here, I did notice that that window was open very slightly, so I very quickly shut it, which is lucky. But that dent up there in the roof lining, that was caused from my bike, you know, because my bike barely fits in here, and so I pushed it up as far as I could go, and the handlebar pushed up the roof very slightly, so I'm very annoyed about that, but what can you do? Sploosh. Yeah, I wish this car had a sunroof. My mum's old Volvo XC70 had a sunroof. It was a 2003 model, and it was quite high spec. It had a sat-nav and a telephone and a picnic table for the back seats and a sunroof. It was dark blue, had the D5 engine. We kept it for many years, nearly 10 years. We sold it at the beginning of 2015, and it had I think 188,000 miles on it when we sold it. So yeah, we did quite a lot of miles in that car. We kept it for so long. Look at that, it's nearly 2 o'clock. Yeah, I can feel the wheels being washed. Catherine wheel. A Catherine wheel of water. Let's just hope it doesn't take the paint off. I've already got enough dents and scratches in it already. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. If I don't make it, tell my family I love them. Well, I survived that. I'm now back at my parents' house. It actually looks pretty good in the sunlight. Very clean. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's much better than it was. Yeah, looks like my mum's still here. She hasn't left yet. But let's go ahead and screw the antenna back on. Come on. That stupid thing. There we go. Right. So now what we're going to do is get all the rubbish out. So let's open up all the doors. Open to boot. Right, so oh crumbs. There is a bin in here somewhere. There it is, in the garage. Excuse me. That's my phone, I'll have that. That's just some boring paperwork stuff for my dad. I'll keep that here by my bike. Must not forget that. That's the connecty thing for my tripod. Oh, been looking for that. It's the attachment for the Hoover. I'll need that, so I'll keep that here. Old sandwiches. Oh, some old barbecue sauce down here. And an old triple sweet chili chicken wrap. I believe that's from Aldi. I shop everywhere, mostly at Asda, but I do shop at a lot of places. That's a mug from Junction Auto Park in Llandudno Junction. I'll keep that over here. Keep everything over here by my bike. Anything under the seat? Just an old Coke bottle. That's a shuffle. I'll keep that there. Put these in the bin. Yeah, if you don't know what a shuffle is, there you are, that's what a shuffle looks like. Show file. Since 1804. Anything else? Oh, that's a Christmas present. That's me and my dog Tom. Speaking of which, we'll let them out in a minute. Clothes, old Sweden t-shirt, Sweden jumper from my old school, because I went husky sledding a few years ago. Another Christmas present, Space Jam New Legacy t-shirt. Good old Bugs Bunny, the champion. Yeah, if you guys want to go watch something else, that's fine. Tripod. Keep all my belongings over here. Christmas present from my brother. you just got lit up, which is a quote from Suits. Yeah, quote from Suits. And then more t-shirts. Yeah, that should be alright. And then a pair of pants, a bag and a jumper, and then a bunch more Christmas presents. That's a Top Gear magazine with a 2022 calendar in it. And I believe that is all my belongings cleared from the car. Oop, not quite. Ah yes, this door pocket. There's some chewing gum in there, but I'm not going to have it because it's been in there for a while. It'll be all soft. Right. Oop, don't forget these cardboard boxes. And my wellies. My boots. My welly boots. Right. That is it. Everything cleared out from the car. Apart from this stone thing. It's the kind of stone you use to rub your foot with. It's got a bit of dead skin on there. Nice. So let's pull the front seats forward. Have a double check. See if there's anything I've left behind. Nope, that's it. Let's just grab this de-icer. Let's go inside and grab the Hoover. Let's go. Here he is, the trusty Henry. I have one myself, but it's red. This one's green. So let's start with the boots. There we are. Look how satisfying that is. Look at that, makes such a huge difference. I'm not going to film the whole car obviously, I'll just do little bits. Otherwise this video is going to be hours long. Actually, I'll tell you what, let's get those spilled crumbs on the front seat. Come here, you. There we are, watch this. Look at that, all gone. Amazing. There we are. Whoops, man down. Sorry mate. There we go. Right, I think the boot looks as good as it's going to get. So I'll get on with hoovering out the rest of the car and I'll see you guys later on. Okay, so it's finally finished. So let's show you what I've done. Done the driver's side, driver's seat, driver's side footwell, down the dashboard. Also the gear lever and the handbrake. Back seats. Back seat footwells. The boot. In fact, the boot is the bit I started on. Then this side too. And the passenger side. So there we are, a nice clean car. I might get an air freshener for it. Who knows? What do you reckon, dogs? Come here. Come here, dogs. Come here, that's it. Hello, Minty. You alright? Yes. Yes, good girl. Tommy, what are you up to? What's Tom up to? Just sniffing around. Yeah, the daffodils are coming. They're always the first ones out. Oh, don't destroy them, Tom. Come on then, let's put you back in the pens. Yeah, here's the L200. In fact, this is the first car I ever did a review for on this channel. Been doing them since June, so I've been doing them for a long time now. Good dogs. Give you your food later. So yeah, that concludes it for this video. Hopefully normal content will resume tomorrow because I'll be filming at Junction Auto Park in Llandudno Junction, and they've always got some good stuff. So yeah, thanks so much for watching my little car cleaning vlog, and peace out.